Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove color of first page in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to remove the color of first pages. Go to the first page and we can see here the master pages. Now we want to remove the color, delete this master page. Click and drag on move this delete option, then select the page, then click the another pages and check the all pages. We can see we remove the color only on first page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.